Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you have an event that you really need a stunning, eye-dropping dress for? This one from LAI MENG 5 Cats is a beautiful, stunning, gorgeous dress that will literally earn you compliments all day. This dress is 100% polyester fabric. It's a beautiful, silky feeling fabric that's really easy to wash and to steam. I love that the dress falls so beautifully. It's flowy, it feels light and airy. I feel like I could wear this dress year round because it would be cool in the summer but warmer in cooler weather. The dress has beautiful gold detailing, and you can see the green trim that goes around the waist, and it has the red and green trim around the collar, the cuffs, as well as at the bottom. It's a beautiful A-length dress at my 5'4" frame. I did find that it runs slightly large, but because of the way that it flows and falls, honestly, I don't think anyone could tell that it ran slightly big. This dress got me compliments all day while I wore it, and I wore it all day, but it was super comfortable. It felt easy to move in and to breathe, and even after eating lunch, I didn't feel like I was stuffed into the dress because it's so flowy and pretty. The beautiful colors on this fabric are absolutely stunning. And if you're looking for a dress that will make you feel and look beautiful for a day, go for it. You'll really enjoy wearing this dress. But that's just my point of view.